Can I see that lighter? Do you think I gonna make them like feel me on this song like what I was saying too much?
I kept on begging you to stay. I couldn't hold on, so please forgive me, I wasn't strong. I take my lick and I move on. Fuck them niggas for life the way they did me wrong. I was blind when they crossed me. 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 I could put this shit on everything. I had came out the back door. For this shit, man, I was struggling for so long. Pray every day, protect myself and told that fucking poor. I'm on my business, I'm not like these niggas, all these hoes. I'm the Steve, I know no name, but throw them bees. I told her shawty, come be on a winning team, please. I told that bitch she best believe. I told that boys fuck that Trey, I told that bitch.
How the fuck you do me wrong? Left me for a nigga that wasn't worth it like me.
I put in work to be with you, he ain't deserve it like me. I was low-key in a coupe, they put the word out on me. I was blind when they crossed 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 me.
Hey, YB, NBA.
When they crossed
This blind check in, bro. I already know this shit to the cash is drop. I been used by niggas, I been used by bitches. One thing I ain't never do is get in my feelings. Most these niggas never been in no trenches. None of these hoes don't put in my business. Don't need no nigga, don't need no bitch. Cause if I get locked up, they gon' send me shit. Got a bag, I put it on your head, little bitch. Y'all broke ass nigga can't tell me shit. L-O-V-E, that ain't me. M-O-N-E-Y, that's me. I don't trust y'all nigga far as I can see. Most y'all hoes fucking more than me. Ain't fuck with everybody what I learned these streets. Niggas don't show up with the time to eat. Jump in that water, better hope you can swim. Cause I'm telling that nigga I'm playing for kick. Master, you broke hoes, I ain't got shit. Want me to fuck, gotta pay for the dick. On the love, I'm showing this to my fam. Tryna stay rich, give a fuck about no green. Got gold, 9-10 mil a month. Want me to say your hoe, I ain't the one. YB running up. Most you fuck niggas talk.
I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me. I was blind when they crossed me.
I'm in that bed again. I just went top speed. I shoulda knew they would cross me. They sit around talk about me. We carry Draco that chop trees. Yeah, I get that bag and I put it up cause I know ain't shit free. We was in love, I kept her put up. I know she missed me. She ride that dick like a 10 speed. I'm with the gang, I can't switch teams. No more hand cause I wear ABs. Take on my watch, let my wrist breathe. We been getting money and we been thugging since we was young boys. Now look at me, I just bought a phone, the same one as young boy. Go to my shows with them drunk boy. My youngin' they shoot up for fun. The Cavity fat and I'm keeping my gun. It's just how we living, we come from the slum. Now when the police pull up, we don't run. Young rich nigga do what we want. Private jet, so I'm sending them from. Yeah. How could you cross me? 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 How could